Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. If you have any questions, comments, or surplus machinery you would like to sell, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or by dialing 630-229-6705. For an up-to-date list of machines, visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com. In addition to what is listed on our website, we have 50 plus machines being processed, as our inventory changes daily, so check back often as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Also remember that our full inventory is located in-house and that we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. We're going to take a look at an Scmi Minimax S35 sliding table saw. This is the bigger brother to the S30. There's a couple differences. The main carriage is 3200mm or 126 inches. However, this saw also features a 350mm or almost 14-inch blade capacity and is powered by the optional 6.6 kilowatt, 9 horsepower, 4,000 RPM main motor. The scoring motor also has the larger 1.2 horsepower, 0.9 kilowatt, 8,500 RPM motor as well. It does tilt as it should. I mean, really nicely. Again, this is a small shop-owned machine. There's an angle indicator built into the hand wheel. The blade also rises and falls as it should. It's going to have a max depth of cut at 90 degrees with a 350mm saw blade of 118mm or 4.645 inches. As you can hear, nice and smooth running. It does have a braking motor. Here's your scoring adjustments, and you can set the fence right of the blade up to 60 inches, leaving the dust arm in place, more if you take it off. Comes with multiple accessories, including material hold down shoe, miter fence, wrenches, full set of manuals. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.